Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a look at this extra large foldable wagon or cart. Now this thing arrives exactly like this, so you can see how compact this gets when it's folded up. So it's really easy to store away or even pack up and travel with. Let me show you what it looks like to get it opened up, and then I'll tell you a little bit more about it. How simple was that? Literally, it's just taking off the little cover, undoing the Velcro strap, and then there's 2 points in the middle that you can easily push down and it will expand out, and you can see how big this thing is. It is so large. It has a 300-liter capacity and it is extra long, so you can easily carry around like your canopies, your beach umbrellas, chairs, what have you. You could use this for gardening, or it would make for a wonderful companion for camping. So there are so many ways that you could use this. Even groceries, this would really come in handy because it's going to tuck away easily in your trunk and you can pop it out and bring your groceries inside. Now, once it's open like this, you want to unfold the base and put that in just to give it some added stability and sturdiness. So you can see here how open and large that space is. You do have a little pocket over here with some Velcro at the top. So if you do want to set some things aside and organize stuff, you can do that. And then over here by the handle, you have 2 cup holders. And then around the outside, you do have some little D-rings there at the top on both sides that you can attach some accessories and hang things from. Just another way for you to utilize the cart. Now, as for the handle, it's super simple. Just pull up on it until it locks in place and then pull up so that the bottom bar locks. Then you can easily maneuver this. You can see the 4-inch tires on the bottom here. These are all-terrain tires that are going to make it really simple and easy to pull this around, whether it be on smooth surfaces like concrete and asphalt, rocky gravel terrain, or even sand at the beach. And of course, around your home in the grass, this is going to handle all of that really well. And the 2 wheels up here by the handle do have locks on it, so you can secure it in place. So for reference, you can see this is an 8-foot wide beach umbrella, and when it's in here, it just barely sticks out the end, and it's nice and supported on the back here. And then like your standard camping chair fits right in with extra space. And this is a 10-person tent. It fits right in, and that thing is quite heavy and it handles it perfectly. And then when you're ready to put your handle down, all you need to do is push in on this right here, and it will allow that handle to collapse so you can store it away. And collapsing it is just as simple as opening it. Just remove the bottom panel and get that folded up. I'm gonna set that aside to go in the cover. And then right here on the inside, you've got a long strap. All you have to do is pull up on that and it will bring this in. Then you can continue to push it closed, and then find your Velcro strap and just feed that through. Pull it nice and tight. And just like that, it's nice and compact. So we can slide the cover over it. It does have a little zipper here on the back to make it a little bit easier if you need to open that up. That strap that we use to collapse everything can come up through a hole in the top cover, so you can easily carry this. And then you've got that nice pocket on the front so you can store away that bottom insert. This wagon is so incredibly convenient. It's extra large and can handle just about anything you throw at it. So if you guys were looking for something to take with you camping, to the beach, to help with your groceries, or just around your home as a utility cart, you cannot go wrong with this. I think you guys would absolutely love it. I would definitely give this a try.